Hola chicos, bienvenidos, welcome back. It's time to enter the written production part. Of course, you know that is probably the most challenging piece in the exam after the listening. Let's go through the main aspects of the written paper. As you know, the section B, which we're going to deal with in the next episode, is the opinion text. Okay? Go through the notes, read carefully things that you may think you know regarding marking scheme and the estimated time you should take on every section to gain some confidence on it, to be sure you know every detail, okay, how you should operate in the exam. For example, opinion text is recommended to take 55 minutes, okay? You know the questions, you know all the parts of the living certificate in the written section. Make sure you read them again before the exam, okay? Section C, dialogue, diary, the notes. Should be easy enough if you practice the model, the scheme. But the content of the dialogue, as you know, is unpredictable, okay? There's some things you can always expect from it, though, which is the tenses. The tenses are going to be mainly present perfect, and pretérito indefinido, see? So pay attention to the correct verb form, very important. Very important that you nail those endings, see? La carta requires very concise and straight to the point sentences, okay? Do not deviate from the guidelines, okay? Read all the points, tick them as you go, okay? Make sure you've written all of them. And use simple Spanish. Don't complicate it, okay? Straight to the point, simple sentences one after the other. And again, with the tenses properly chosen. Present and present perfect, especially, they're gonna occur here much. See? Go through the notes again. I insist again. Go through the notes and make sure you know the marking scheme. That's very important. The diary entry. You know how to write it, but make sure you write the layout very nicely, because it's the first thing like the attention of the examiner is gonna notice, is gonna lay on. So a very nice layout, and then again the tenses. For the diary entry is gonna be mainly the past, pretérito indefinido, and the present perfect, okay? And the notes, present perfect, and the future. I told you, future is gonna be very important in this section. So go back if necessary to the notes or the presentation and make sure you know this tense, which is always challenging. And in general, ways to improve your writing skills. Write shorter sentences, concise, accurate, okay? The shorter, the punchier. Choose one mistake every time you write one assignment and gradually get better at it. Obviously, learn from your mistakes. As one famous Irish said, try again, fail better, and become more aware of everything you do wrong. Make a list if necessary. Read your piece out loud. Even if you don't think so, reading aloud is always helpful for all the skills. If it sounds right, it is right. And read more, okay? The more you read, the better you write. There's really no mystery about that, you know it. It requires work, but I'm sure you're going to attempt all the tasks in the notes, and you're gonna become more and more successful and more skilled at this part of the exam. Muchas gracias. Hasta pronto.